Okay, so here's the plan. I'll go talk to them about the house. You go explore.
Let's do it.
Okay. Hey guys.
Hey, welcome to Treetop Oasis. Oh my God, we made it.
We made it.
Rob, we're so glad that you're here with us today at what we call the Treetop Oasis.
I see why, because you're literally at the very treetop of all the trees that are out here in Big Bear.
Absolutely, that's exactly why we named it. You're literally sitting on top of the treetops.
When I walk in here, the first thing I notice is the woodwork. This is the hangout spot.
Yeah, it's a hangout spot.
This is the
Like
hangout
you could play.
floor.
Yes.
This is the hangout floor,
Yeah,
that's
so
exactly
notice
right.
You got shuffleboard, poker
Blackjack
table.
yeah.
We've got shuffleboard, ping pong, we've got our pool table, tons of board games.
How many floors is this?
The primary suite has its own floor, and it's right in the entryway as you walk in with its own private balcony. And then one floor below is all the bedrooms.
So obviously this house is custom wood, everything. Is there anything else that makes this house uniquely it?
Absolutely. The real special ingredient in this home is the wine cellar.
Like a secret wine cellar?
It is like a secret wine cellar. We've had so many guests want to actually stay as an experience down there because it's so unique. So we made it into a bedroom, there's a bed, and we actually have even people that come that are renting it, choosing to stay there instead of the primary bedroom.
That is wild.
Yeah.
Hey, Bob, you got to see this.
Is it the wine cellar?
It is.
I love a secret room. Okay, thank you guys so
Nice
much.
meeting
Thank
you.
you guys so much.
Yeah.
How cool is this thing?
It's epic. Come
Right?
check it out.
Okay, so where is this hidden room?
This door right here, you're never going to believe it. Insane, right?
Hey, just fun fact, all these tiles are from Italy. I know, they told me.
No way.
Yep, they imported them, every single one.
This stone is insane.
Yeah, this is wild. Oh, and it just
Whoa.
keeps going.
Look at that ceiling.
Now that is a giant wine barrel vault. This is insane.
Look at all the bottles of wine they have.
And then there's a bed.
You can sleep in here.
There's the bed. yeah.
Incredible.
Yeah, so they actually let you sleep in here, and so this is like a secret room that you can actually sleep in. So I got one question. Out of
Yes.
all the cabins you've ever seen, how many have had a secret wine room?
0.
Yeah?
This is insane. Never seen anything like it.
What'd you think? Did Big Bear disappoint you?
I have been blown away. I might not even go home.
Yeah, ever?
Ever.
Well, John, I'm gonna keep exploring some more houses, but thank you for coming down.
Thanks for having me.
Are you gonna stay down here in the
I'm
wine
gonna
room?
stay in the wine
Okay,
room.
well, good luck with that. That sounds like an adventure.